Item number 119, under heading for orders on office notes, along with some defects to be cured. Mr. Ravindra Kumar Pradarshi. Yes, Mr. Pradarshi.
Lord, in this case, my lord, the prayer is for initiation except 5, my lord, is the order impugned.
Permitted to file counter affidavit.
My lord, for initiation of proceeding under section 188 IPC, the facts remains, my lord, that petitioner, my lord, resides at the in-laws place, my lord. Lord, petitioner is a, my lord, employee in the private service. My lord, he resides outside, my lord, from the village. The female members are there, my lord. My lord, the local police station along with the private respondents, my lord, always, my lord, harassing the female members, my lord. My lord, the altogether 5 or 6 occasions proceeding were initiated and all culminated in the favor of this petitioner and the family members of the petitioner.
Yes.
I have annexed all the documents. Lastly, my lord, on Annexure 5, that has been filed on 6/1/2020 for initiation of proceeding of contempt under section 188 IPC. And still no action has been taken by the SDM Lakhisarai.
What is the order of the SDM Lakhisarai?
My lord, 2 or 3 orders has been, my lord, annexed.
Yes.
All in favor of this petitioner. One it has at page 16.
Page 16.
Ji. उपयुक्त तथ्यों में रीड मतलब पेज 19 दी ऑपरेटिव पोर्शन। उपयुक्त तथ्यों की विवेचना से स्पष्ट होता है कि द्वितीय पक्ष का दावा अपनी गवाला के आधार पर सही है, क्योंकि पश्चिम चौहद्दी प्रश्नगत खेसरात 43 का रकबा 1 डिसमिल रास्ता दिया गया है। प्रथम पक्ष का दावा अपने गलत चौहद्दी में दर्शाए गए आधार पर रास्ता 1 डिसमिल बचित का अस्तित्व को खत्म कर दिए गए हैं। कुल 33 डिसमिल जमीन ही बिक्री की गई है। खेसरा 43 पर रकबा 3 डिसमिल।
तो आपके डिफिकल्टी ये है ना कि ये आपसे थोड़ा लगता है कि ज्यादा ताकतवर लोग हैं।
जी, अब वहाँ फीमेल मेंबर्स रहती है।
हाँ।
और लाइवलीहुड तो बाहर रहना पड़ता है इन लोगों को।
हाँ।
डिफिकल्टीज की बार उसी जमीन और स्कूल प्रॉपर्टी को लेकर के a local police station is not taking any action. Thereafter on again at page 21 annexure 2 मापी हुआ अपील मापी हुआ।
Seems to be a land dispute between the parties.
My lord, land dispute is there, but my lord, they are physically, my lord, assaulting and creating nuisance.
Have you lodged any FIR for that?
Lord, if we have the local police station in collusion with the,
you know, if local police station is not taking your FIR, then what are the options left to you?
my lord, options are there, my lord, absolutely. But my lord, at present, my lord, 188 proceeding has been sought for in the court of SDM.
You have filed application.
My lord, annexure 5.
Go and pursue that.
Lord, any observation?
Pursue that.
Action?
Likhil Learned Counsel for the petitioner submits that even though the proceedings initiated earlier at the instance of the first party has failed, the members of the first party are bent upon causing obstructions and harassment to the members of the second party. Full stop. It is submitted that the second party are facing a risk of their life and property. Full stop. It is pointed out that
they have filed an application in the court of Learned Subdivisional Magistrate Lakhisrai, being reference number 25M, small 2 of 2019. Within bracket, Nitish Kumar versus Susila Devi and another, bracket closed. A copy of the said application has been placed on record as an Excel file. Full stop. The grievance of the petitioner is that the said application has remained pending for hearing, and it is not likely to be heard in near future. Hence, it requires a direction to the subdivisional magistrate Lakhisrai to consider the application and pass an appropriate order thereon. Next, as regards the threat to the life and property of the petitioner, it is the submission of Learned Counsel that the local police station is in collision with the private respondents. Hence, the complaint of the petitioner is not being accepted at the local police station. Next, a counter affidavit has been filed on behalf of the respondents. Full stop. The stand of the respondents is that the petitioner has not filed any complaint before the STM Lakhisrai. Rather, from Annexure 5, it transpires that one Nitish Kumar, who is private respondent number 8 of the present writ, has filed a petition to initiate a proceeding under section 188 IPC in reference case number 25 M2 of 2019, in which the petitioner is opposite party number 2. Next, it is further submitted that in the said reference case, the SDM Lakhisrai has declined to initiate proceeding under section 144 CRPC, assigning the reason that over the land in proceeding there is standing a residential building. Next, Learned Counsel for the respondents thus submits that there seems to be a land dispute between the parties, and instead of pursuing his remedy before appropriate court, the petitioner is looking for a direction in such disputed matter. Full stop. Next, having heard Learned Counsel for the petitioner and Learned Counsel for the respondents state, this court is of the considered opinion that there being no prima facie case before this court to issue any direction to the respondent authorities, it would not be appropriate for this court to enter into the kind of disputes which have been tried to be raised before the court. Full stop. So far as the issue of threat to life and property of the petitioner is concerned, if any such threat exists, the petitioner may approach the Superintendent of Police Lakhisrai and submit his grievance, which may be looked into and considered independently on its own merit. Full stop. The writ application stands disposed of accordingly.
Lord, file has been filed by the second set, my lord, the opposite party number 2. Lord, perhaps it has been recorded as first.
I have recorded his statement from the counter affidavit.
Oh, लगता है.
I have not recorded anything. I have not recorded anything.